we're going to take a look at how to use a PCMCIA card to play MP3s on your stereo, on your Mercedes. So a lot of Mercedes have this slot right here that a lot of people don't even use for anything. But this is a PCMCIA card, and you need an adapter, and with an adapter that goes to an SD card, because you can have various card sizes on this end of it. But SD card is pretty popular, and you can use it to put songs in here from your computer and then plug that in there and play the songs. I mean, you can put like a 16 gigabyte card, 32 gigabyte card, and then have thousands of songs in there. And then what you can do is, when you put the songs in the SD card, organize them by folders, because otherwise you might have a hard time finding, you know, the songs that you're looking for. So once you put the SD card in there, just make sure it's pressed all the way in. You put this card, the adapter, into the PCMCIA card slot. And then if you go to your command unit, we're gonna go to audio, go down to MP3, select OK, and then this can be a little bit tricky. So what you need to do is just remove the SD card and reinsert it a couple of times until you start seeing the MP3 songs come up, and there it is. So the quality is very good at whatever bit rate you're using on the songs. That's what they're gonna play at. So that's a lot better than using like an FM transmitter or anything like that. The other thing that